lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are happy and doing just great. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make crispy chili beef. This chili beef recipe is a popular dish that a lot of people order at Chinese restaurants or from takeout. It is very quick and easy to put together at home. And without much waste of time, let's make this together. For this recipe, I'm using sirloin steak. You can use any other cut that cooks really quickly. So start by slicing your beef very thinly into long strips. You can leave the beef in the freezer for 40 minutes first to firm it up and make this process really easy. Once done, put the sliced beef in a bowl and season with a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and also add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to it and toast to combine nicely. Cornstarch is a key ingredient in this chili beef recipe. It gives the beef a nicely coated skin and an airy, crisp texture. So make sure to use these in this recipe. When you are done, leave the beef to marinate for 10 minutes while you make the sauce. To make the sauce, combine 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons each of sweet chili, dark soy sauce, and tomato ketchup. And also add 2 teaspoons of sugar and finally pour 2 tablespoons of water to it and whisk to combine nicely. Once done, set it aside until you need it. Heat up 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pan or wok. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced beef to it and fry, making sure every single piece is laid out singly in the pan and not clumping at all. Also make sure you don't stir this too often. You want to make sure the beef have the chance to become brown and crisp individually. Once you have this beautiful golden color, transfer it to a paper towel to drain off some of the oil. Add more oil to the pan if needed and repeat with the next batch until you're done. You can leave just about 1 tablespoon of the oil in the pan. Add in a 1/4 cup of sliced onion and saute for 2 minutes or until fragrant. Then go in with 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger and 2 minced garlic cloves. Cook this for 30 seconds or until fragrant. And finally add 1 thinly sliced each of red chili and green chili peppers. Stir fry for 3 minutes on medium heat until softened. You can go ahead and pour in the prepared sauce over the veggies and then mix it well to combine. Reduce heat and bubble this for 2 minutes. Now add back the beef to the pan, toast it well to coat. Cook for a couple of minutes until the sauce starts to thicken up. Once you're happy with the consistency and the taste, you can garnish this with some fresh chives and serve while it is still hot. This looks really great. So friends, this was how to make a mouth-watering crispy chili beef at home in no time. If you love quality style restaurant recipes, I highly recommend this chili beef for you, as it is super comforting and appetizing with a sweet savory flavor and a really unique aroma. Just feel free to serve this with anything that you have. As for me, I'll be serving this with some boiled rice. Guys, I really love this recipe and I hope you try it out. I hope you enjoyed watching my videos. If you did, please be sure to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill and hit the notification bell to keep you posted. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye for now.